Hi friends, good evening to all. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about mail merge. To create mail merge and what is the definition of mail merge and what are the advantages of mail merge as well as what are the components of mail merge and how to create mail merge and what are the uses of mail merge. These are the things which we are going to learn. Let me open it without doing delay. Let's start the procedure to learn mail merge. Open Word. So click on start button and search here word in the search bar. After typing word, you can open it the word application and select the blank document here and maximize the screen. Your word document will be open here. So from here, what is the main concept? First of all, we learn mail merge. Why we are using mail merge? What is the definition of mail merge? A mail merge feature in MS Word is used to create personalized letters. Means like if you want to create hall tickets, if you want to send an invitation to your friends, if you want to invite any friends like a birthday invitation, marriage invitation, you are going to call each and everybody by going to door. It will be very difficult for sometimes. For that purpose which we are going to use, the letter is called as mail merge. To be sent many persons, not only one person, we can send at a time many people. So it saves a lot of time. So you don't need to go to person individually. You can save your time. So that means it saves a lot of time, as you do not need to change the information for every person manually. So that means the same information only you are going to forward for everybody with the changing by their names. That is the main concept of mail merge. Hope you understand the definition. So what is the mail merge definition? Can you please once again repeat it? So the mail merge definition is nothing but a mail merge feature in MS Word is used to create personalized letters. Why? To be sent many persons, because of the reason is to save our time, as well as the same letter we are changing the name of the person, the content should be same. Hope you understand the definition of mail merge. And the next one is, so what is the main advantage of mail merge? Is nothing but it saves our time and it saves our efforts, and even though it allows to make changes several letters very quickly. Means if you want to send one person the same matter, you need to send to other person, automatically you don't need to type the second person data, that will be making automatic changes. That is the meaning of changes in the several letters very quickly, and it allows us to produce thousands of letters quickly. Suppose you need to send 1,000 members at a time, you can do it by using a mail merge. That is also one kind of advantage. And you can see it allows save the letters as a template for later use. Suppose the same format you need to use for some other, suppose now you send a birthday invitation, if you want to use the same format for the wedding invitation, you can do it by using small modification. Hope you understand this. These are the benefits which you are going to learn in the mail merge. And coming to the next one is nothing but still some more benefits we are going to learn. It enables to reuse the same information multiple times. Means you can able to save your data by using the same invitation. You can see here I just typed here one information, the same information I can send many people by changing their name. So the same information, see the same invitation which I am going to type it, this information we can share to many people at a time. That is also one kind of information. And the last and least benefit is it makes easier to check the letters for error. Suppose any mistake is there in first letter here, suppose any mistake of spelling or grammar or like sentence mistake or any other mistakes ever here, if you change it once, that makes in all the letters. Hope you understand. This is the one kind of best benefit in the advantages of mail merge. Coming to the next, what are the main concept of mail merge we are using? So there are three kind of components which we are doing in a starting before mail merge. First one is the main document. What is the main document? Now whatever the letter, whatever the format I need to prepare it, this particular format preparation is called as document. A simple definition I'll let you know. It is a document. See, it is a document, am I right? It is a document that contains the text of a letter which we want to send our friends. So now I typed here letter. So I am sending a letter to friends by typing a letter only, no? So based on the letter format, we are sending information to many people. Hope you understand this. This is a main document definition. And second one, data source. It is a separate file that contains all the information about recipients of the letter. Data source is nothing but you need to type specifically a data whom you are sending, that means recipients, how many people are you are going to send. Suppose you are 10 members, 100 members, 1000 members in your list, some people will be, for that people you want to send a letter. Where we are going to do that? In data source we are adding the recipient list. Hope you understand recipient, why we are using recipient list. Means that your relatives or your neighbors, your family members, whose data you are going to enter, that particular data where you are entering, that particular location is called as data source. And third one is a very easiest task is merge document. It is the final document to create by merging the main document and data source. So not only the thing, you can see I just typed the definition because of your sake. Just now I discussed main document. Here in the data source also I discussed, right? So data source means what I said, it is a separate file that contains all the information about recipient of the letter. Am I right? So main document means it is a document where we are sending many people the letter, the same format. So these two combination you are going to do here. You can see it is the final document created by merging the main document. What we are doing here, we are merging main document as well as data source document. Hope you understand. We are merging both documents, main document as well as data source document. It contains a list of letters. See, a list of letters. Just now I have shown you, right? The list of letter, this kind of letter. Hope you understand. A list of letters with text and details of the person. So where will you do that? That data will be appears on the screen in the top. Here, hi, I am turning 11 on September 1. So that means the age of the person 11 years it will be reached when September 1 will come. So what will you do? The person data you are going to enter it here. Hope you understand. So you no need to change entire data. You are going to specifically mentioning the person's data here. Hope you understand this. That is the main concept of mail merge which we are going to use it. This is the definition, advantages as well as the main components of mail merge. Now let's start the procedure before doing later. So first thing, what do you want to do for doing mail merge? I already told you, creating a main document. What is the main document? Already I created. This is the document which I created. Am I right? So first, this document you need to convert by step. I'll tell you one by one step. Okay. Type the invitation which is to be sent to everyone. I already typed. Am I right? So you need to type it the invitation. Okay. You have to use which one? Mailing option. You can see here there is an option called as mailing. What do you want to do here? Start mail merge. Which option you need to select here? Start mail merge. From that, which option you need to select? Letter. So my task is over. Hope you understand. From mailing tab, you need to go to start mail merge option and letter you need to select it. What will happen? This letter will convert as a main document. This is the first task which you want to do it. And the second task, what do you want to do? This particular document you need to make it as a data source. For that, what do you want to do? Second step, creating a data source. What do you want to do? Creating a data source. First thing, what you want to do? Again, you need to go to mailing tab. Yes, of course, you need to go to mailing tab and they select recipient. So see, first one we did already here. Second task, what is that? You need to enter recipients. Means how many people you need to send. Before I discussed with you that either your friends, your neighbors, your relatives, your colleagues, whomever it may be, that entire people data you need to enter here. Let me explain. Here that is called as birthday invitation. So I'm just typing here birthday invitation. Okay. And the first name I'm going to type it. Suppose they have a surname and last name. Both names are there. If you want to mention, you can mention. Suppose Lakshmi Subramanyam. I'm just typing here Lakshmi Subramanyam. So Lakshmi is the first name and Subramanyam is the last name. Okay. Subramanyam. Alright. So if you want this which details you require, that only you can mention. Its company name is not required for me. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to mention here. I'm going to mention blank here. So if you are going to mention all, it will be. So I just don't want this. I'm going to skip this. That's all. You don't need to do any kind of operations here. So you can do address here. What will you do in the address? So you make it as an address here. Let me explain. 10-2. What is the main address here? Rajiv Nagar. Okay, Rajiv Nagar. Where it is located in address? Second address maybe they have, or else in the same address continuation. Rajiv Nagar and Indira Gandhi Bhavan. And city, which is a city, suppose America. or else like Hyderabad, you need to type it Hyderabad. Okay, and state, what is that state? Telangana. Okay, TL means Telangana. You can type it full, you can, if you want, Telangana. Okay, and code, if you know, you can type it. If you don't know, you can leave it, no issues. This is the data which I want to select it. If you want much more, you can able to do it. Suppose you need to mention the work phone number as well as the country you need to select, you can do it. If you other people, if you have much more details regarding your friend circle will be in the other states, you can fill these columns also. But as per this data, I have a circle in our country. So what I'm going to do, title I have given, first name I have given, last name I have given, and address I given. This is a very important thing which I want to do it. And what is the city here? Hyderabad. And state, what is that? Telangana. Okay, so now the same thing, I'm going to add another person. So when you are doing second person data, carefully observe here, new entry, delete entry. Suppose if you want to add, you have to click on new entry. If you want to delete entry, you have to click it. Okay, new entry, I'm clicking the same data only, so I'm doing copy and paste here. So here before I have mentioned Lakshmi Subramaniam. Suppose now Ram Narayan. Okay, Ram Narayan I just typed here. So I don't want company name, I need to give here. I'm just typing 11-01-2. Okay, so now I'm here typing Nehru Nagar, Golconda, where it will be generally Rabia, so I'll change it here. Okay, Bapuji Park. So where the person Bapuji Park, let us assume Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore I have given. Bangalore, where it is? Karnataka. Okay, I have given 2 members data. And come to the next column again. What do you want to do? If you want another column, new entry again, you want to use it. And I'm going to mention the same birthday invitation here. And the second column is, what is we have to do here? Next person data, I need to enter it. The person, suppose he will be in Andhra Pradesh itself, some other place. Okay, here what I'm going to do is Subramaniam Nayak. Okay, so I'm just typing Subramaniam Nayak, and Subramaniam Nayak Achari, let us assume. Okay, this is the name of the person, let us imagine. So now I'm typing the address should be 9-45 I have given, and there is no other place for them, so only one door number has happened. So here I'm going to give society colony. Okay, and here I'm going to type it like a nearby Vijayawada. Okay, Vijayawada, where is the location, state actually Andhra Pradesh. Hope you understand. So this way you need to mention. Suppose instead of mentioning, if you have an Excel data, directly you can able to do it. That how can I do? I'll let you know afterwards. Okay, so this data I have mentioned. Similarly you can do by different people data like this. So I have mentioned only 3 for showing purpose. Okay, I am clicking OK here. So my data, it is asking where do you want to save. So details of the recipients I'll save in the desktop. Okay, so because I want to show you, so I'm going to mention here mail merge. What I want to do it, mail merge. Okay, click on save. So where did I save here? Already I mentioned the particular data in the where the data will be on desktop. Okay, what do you want to do here? First thing is go up, click on enter here. What kind of data you have entered there? Just remember it. First one is a birthday invitation. So invitation. So open the brackets. And how to insert columns. The third task is you should not do manually. People used to do manually like this. You should not do. You have to go for merging the main document. The third concept is very, very important. Just now you added as a letter as an merge document, and second one is you have added a recipients. Third task is very important. If you want to edit list, you can do it, but the thing is I have already 3 members data I have entered. If you have 100 members, you have to compulsory enter it, or else if you have already data in Excel, you can do it by copying and pasting in that. Okay, hope you understand. Now merging the main document and data source. What do you want to do? Again, you need to go to merging tab, mailing tab only. In the finish and merge document, you need to click it. Which option you need to click it here? So finish option. So where it is, you look at here, finish. What do you want to do here? You have to click on merge command. So I just click on the finish and merge command. Before that, I want to check it out whether the data has insert or not. So first I will go for inserting data. Okay, I'll check it out once again. Everything is correct or not. Okay, everything is perfect. Then what I will do is I'll insert data. So 2 tasks is completed. Now I will insert it. What and all columns I need? First title I need. So I have inserted title and click enter. Then go for next one is first name. Okay, then second name, that means last name. Beside only I will give it. Okay, give a space and go for your last name and enter it. So you can give comma even if you want, and go for the next inserting column is nothing but company name I did not give. So address 1 you can give if you want to give, or as address 2 you can give. Suppose some people there is no address 2, what will you do? You can give both. For who are having address 2 it will be, if it is not it won't print. Okay, then city name I have given. So what do you want to do? If you want to come down you can able to click on down. So I click on down, comma you can give instantly. So next last and least one is what? Inserting, and then go to city I have given, state I have given. Okay, hope you understand. So these are the columns which I have given. If you want in the between of any modification in center also you can do it, but it is an invitation, so I just want to mention only address. Anybody has doubt? First what we did, the letter we make it as a merge document. Second concept we enter the recipient data, and the third concept you have rechecked the recipient list, and the fourth concept is inserting field, means what and all the details you has given, that details you are going to insert like this. Hope you understand. And finally what will you do? You need to click on finish. So before finishing we'll see once preview results. Okay, click on preview results. Here birthday invitation is the first heading, am I right? If you want center you can do that even though. So Lakshmi Subramanyam I mentioned 10-2 Rajiv Nagar Indira Gandhi Bhavan Hyderabad Telangana. Hope you understand. These like the data will be forward to everyone. How it will forward I'll let you know. Okay, first person data is okay. Check it out. Next, is it changed now? See, before it was some other name Subramanyam Nayak Achari. Okay, and second person also I need to check. So look at here, second person what? Ram Narayan, and third person what is the third person here? Subramanyam Nayak Achari. Hope you understand. This is a way we can cross verify it. And preview results I have seen that. Go for merge documents, and here what do you want to do? For individual if you want to change, if you want to check you can do it, or else if you want to take a printout you can do it. Edit individual document. So if you want to send at a time for all members you can do it, or else current record from where to where you want to do, you can give from option you have to select it. And suppose 100 members only you need to give first 100 list. In the recipients how many members you has entered, for them only you need to send, means if you have 100 members only you need to send from 1 to 100. What do you want to do here? You need to mention from here 100 here. Hope you understand. Suppose you need to send for everyone, so all you have to select it. If you want to select only current record, these current record means only for particular person, you need to select it current record. So I have selected here all records, click on OK. Hope you understand. It was converted as a mailing tab. You can check it out once. Come down, every page it has converted as a mail. You no need to type this letter continuously in the further pages. Hope you understand. So this will be very easy to do it. This will make us your work will be very less, and you can save your time, as well as you can forward your data very quickly to people who are very close to you. Hope this information will be very useful for you. If you want further information, like, share, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you. Have a nice day.